13 pitches, 9 strikes. So Miguel Vargas with none on and 1 out. Vargas batting right. First pitch is inside for ball 1. Weathers his first relief appearance this season. 23rd overall appearance. 1-0. Breaking ball is hit in the air to deep left field. Beatty just turns and watches. This ball is gone out to left center. Miguel Vargas goes deep for a second straight day. It is the Dodgers' 5th home run already today. Their 4th in 2 innings, and they now lead 7-1. Number 17 for Vargas, who stays scorching hot. Cuts through the wind and rain. And now Edwin Rios, who got the recent home